Welcome to the Golden Safe, where we discuss investments, stocks, and many more topics that will help you become more financially independent. In today's video, we will be talking about the top 10 blue chip dividend stocks. Blue chip stocks are widely considered to be the best in the market, and many of them also pay consistent dividends. Blue chip stock may be a term that investors are already familiar with. This is because, historically, blue chips were the most valuable in a casino. The best of the best are blue chip companies, but no trader should ever treat the stock market like a game. Companies that have increased their dividends for the past 10 years are regarded as blue chip stocks. Rewards from blue chips are consistent and usually increase even when the economy is in a slump. Blue chip stocks like those listed in the top 10 below are among the most consistent dividend payers. 1. Procter Gamble PG. Procter Gamble is the owner of several well-known consumer brands: Pampers, Tide, Bounty, Charmin, Gillette, Old Spice, Febreze, Crest, Oral-B, Olay, and many other famous brands are among the company's offerings. Furthermore, the total revenue for the fiscal year, ending March 2020, was $71 billion. Procter & Gamble's dividend payout is 130 years old and has risen for 64 years. The company's toughness has helped it weather economic downturns. Procter & Gamble anticipated a 5 to 6% revenue increase in 2021. Furthermore, EPS growth of 8% to 10% is expected in the core business. 2. McDonald's Company, MCD. McDonald's 39,000 restaurants can be found in over 100 countries, making it the world's largest publicly traded fast food chain. Furthermore, approximately 9 out of 10 retail outlets are privately owned and controlled. McDonald's profit margins and overall earnings per share have increased in recent years due to the company's increased franchising activities. McDonald's has a significant advantage over its competitors due to its massive footprint, extensive restaurant chain, recognizable brand, and valuable real estate holdings. McDonald's has been a dividend aristocrat since 1976 and has maintained a tradition of annual dividend increases. If you want to see all 65 dividend aristocrats in one place, you can do so here. At the moment, shareholders can expect their stock to yield 2.4%. 3. Walmart, Inc. WMT. Walmart serves approximately 230 million customers weekly, making it the world's largest retailer by volume. It's uncommon to come across a company as resilient to economic downturns as Walmart. Customers buy more at Walmart during economic downturns because of the company's emphasis on everyday low prices. Revenue in the fourth quarter of 2020 increased by 7% year-on-year, driven by an 8.5% increase in comparable sales. Because of the growing popularity of online shopping, Walmart has prioritized e-commerce development. Walmart's online sales in the United States increased by 69% in the fourth quarter. Furthermore, Walmart increased its annual dividend by 1.9% to $2.20 per share. Walmart has increased its dividend payment for the first time in 48 years. In addition, a new share repurchase program worth $20 billion was approved. 4. Colgate Palmolive Company, CL. Colgate Palmolive was founded in 1806, making it more than 200 years old. It provides products and services to customers in the oral care, personal care, home care, and pet nutrition industries, among others. The firm's annual sales are approximately $17 billion due to these divisions. Colgate Dividend Palmolive, which makes the company a blue chip, is extremely stable and secure. Given the stock's consistent demand and the company's ownership of market-leading brands, it should withstand economic downturns. Colgate Palmolive has a sizable market share in several highly competitive product categories and the ability to maintain price power. 5. Horal Foods Inc. HRL. Horal Foods was founded in Minnesota in 1891, and it all began there. Since then, the company's annual revenue has risen to around $10 billion, making it a food industry behemoth. Skippy, Spam, Applegate, Justin's, and more than 30 other brands are among the company's staples sold in over 80 countries worldwide. Hormel has earned a place among the dividend kings as a company that has increased its dividend for the past 55 years. Its long track record of dividend payments demonstrates the strength of its brands. Hormel claims 40 brands are market leaders or runners-up in their respective categories. 6. PepsiCo, Pep. PepsiCo is a global food and beverage company with more than $70 billion in annual sales. The sale of meals accounts for roughly half of its revenue, with drinks accounting for the other half. Pepsi, Mountain Dew, Frito-Lay, Gatorade, Tropicana, and Quaker are a few of the company's well-known brands. 23 PepsiCo products generate $1 billion or more in annual revenue. PepsiCo's upward trend continued in 2020. In 2020, sales increased by 4.8% to $70.4 billion, with organic, currency-neutral, sales rising by 4.3%. Earnings per share were $5.52, roughly the same as in 2019. PepsiCo has raised its dividend for the past 40 years in a row. 7. The Coca-Cola Company, Co. Coca-Cola and PepsiCo are two of the world's most well-known beverage companies. Coca-Cola owns or licenses over 500 non-alcoholic beverage brands, making it the world's largest beverage corporation. Since its inception in 1886, the corporation has expanded into over 200 countries. Its brands, for example, are responsible for nearly 2 billion daily beverage servings, or $36 billion in annual revenue. Coca-Cola intends to grow in the future by making strategic acquisitions. Coca-Cola's $4.9 billion acquisition of Costa gave the soft drink behemoth immediate entry into the rapidly expanding coffee sector. Coca-Cola dividends have increased for the past 50 years, resulting in a 3.3% yield. 8. 3M Corporation, Inc. 3M's manufacturing capabilities are global. Two of its most well-known consumer products are Post-it notes and Scotch tape. Over 60,000 3M products are used daily in homes, hospitals, offices, and classrooms worldwide. 3M's Safety and Industrial Division manufactures tapes, abrasives, adhesives, supply chain management software, personal protective equipment, and security goods. The Healthcare Division provides medical and surgical supplies and drug delivery systems. The Consumer Division sells office supplies, home improvement goods, protective materials, and stationery supplies, while the Transportation and Electronics Division manufactures fibers and circuits. For more than 60 years, 3M's dividend has been steadily increasing. 9. Kimberly Clark Inc. KMB. Kimberly Clark Corporation is a multinational corporation that manufactures paper products such as paper towels, diapers, and tissues. Huggies, Pull-Ups, Kotex, Depend, Kleenex, Scott, Cottonelle, and Viva are some well-known brands it manufactures. In the fourth quarter, total organic revenue increased by 5%, driven by higher net selling prices, plus 3%, and volume, plus 2%. The firm forecasted 1% to 2% organic revenue growth and 0% to 3% EPS growth for 2021. Kimberly Clark increased its dividend in tandem with its fourth quarter results for the 49th consecutive year. 10. Johnson & Johnson, J&J. Because Johnson & Johnson is the most valuable healthcare company in the United States, it must be included in any list of blue-chip stocks. Pharmaceuticals account for more than 49% of Johnson & Johnson's revenue, with medical devices accounting for 34% and consumer goods accounting for 17%. Even more impressive is that Johnson & Johnson generates more than $90 billion in annual revenue. Johnson & Johnson has increased its dividend for the 58th consecutive year. Johnson & Johnson is one of the few companies that has consistently paid out high dividends for more than a half-century, making it one of the dividend kings. We appreciate your support and hope you like the videos. Share your thoughts on our videos by clicking the comment button below. Watch more videos on our channel. Thank you for watching, liking, and sharing our videos.